So TCGPlayer app, one of the best Pokemon appraisal apps right now. You can read on Reddit. It's not super good, but there aren't like really good apps for some reason in this category. So you just scan your card and then you can track the price, access your collection anytime, seamless shopping, and that's kind of what you have. So your collection simplified, then you can just skip it, and then you can then just see bestsellers. You can then just scan, give access to your camera, content. You can see some kind of social media content. You can see your account. Then you can just shop. So for example, you can see some cards. You can see the price. So yeah, that's the idea.